Hey class, this is Mr. Lynch. I know I released this earlier and had the computer read it because I like how it highlights, but I'm also going to do it myself. So it's nice to be able to talk to everybody. I know I'm trying to figure out this. This is my first day ever uploading a YouTube video. So this is my third one. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this article from News to You. We've done these a lot this year, so everybody should understand it. And then this week's assignment for today and through the break is going to be if you go on your Google Classroom, you will find a assigned PowerPoint for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to complete the activities on the PowerPoint. It's very similar to how we would do it in class with the papers, except you'll be clicking the boxes. A lot of them will say click here, and you're going to click those boxes, erase the click here, and then enter the answer. Your teachers will be available for help as we go, but I want to start, but I'll read the article now, and after reading the article, you can use it as many times as you want. I want everybody to work on the PowerPoint and filling out the PowerPoint with the correct answers. All right, so here we go. Page 1. Greta Thunberg and Earth. Many people want to protect Earth. Many people celebrate protecting Earth on Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd. One person who wants to protect Earth is Greta Thunberg. Sorry, waiting for it to load. Load. Here we go. Greta was born in Sweden. Greta is 17 years old. Greta has Asperger's syndrome. Asperger's syndrome is a kind of autism. People with autism may think differently. Greta gives speeches about climate change. She learned about climate change at 8 years old. Climate is the usual weather in a place. Many people think the climate is changing. They think climate change could be dangerous for Earth. Climate change may bring floods, storms, wildfires, and more. Greta wants to help stop climate change. Greta wants government leaders to help too. She started protests in front of government buildings. Students around the world heard about Greta. They wanted to help stop climate change. Those students started to do protests too. Greta started to meet with leaders. Now she meets with leaders around the world. Greta talks to leaders about climate change. She talks about how leaders can protect Earth. Greta asks leaders to write laws. She wants the laws to protect Earth. Greta asks other people to protect Earth too. Greta thinks everyone can help. Greta has ideas to protect Earth. Greta asks people not to fly on airplanes. Planes can make pollution. Pollution can hurt Earth. Protecting Earth is important to Greta Thunberg. Greta is brave. She meets with many adult leaders. She talks about something important to her. Why is protecting Earth important? Greta Thunberg. Greta was born in Stockholm, Sweden. Greta started doing protests in 2018. Time magazine named Greta the 2019 Person of the Year. She is the youngest person to be Person of the Year. Now, Greta gives speeches around the world. Sweden. Greta Thunberg was born in Sweden. Sweden is a country in Northern Europe. The capital city of Sweden is Stockholm. The Baltic Sea is southeast of Sweden. Sweden is part of the Scandinavian peninsula. So some Swedish meatballs. If anybody ever wanted to cook those, that's a cool recipe. So that's the book. So now what everybody's going to do is go to the PowerPoint, which is posted in the classwork section of your Google Classroom, and you're going to start working on your PowerPoint. If you want to share it with me first before you turn it in, remember you got to share before you hit turn in. Or share with me or one of the other teachers, and we can help you through it. But I want you to take your time. It's very similar to the ones you've all done, but I want you to try to work through it. Think of the different words that we've used, and think about how you can help save the earth and recycling and all the different stuff that we've talked about throughout the year, incorporated into your answers. So reach out if you need help. I hope this helps a little bit, and we'll see everybody soon.